There's a brand new viral AI niche taking over the internet right now, the AI health visualization niche. This niche is exploding across TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, and creators who jump in early are getting massive growth with very little competition. A perfect example is the TikTok page called ScienceCraft, which has already gained over 900,000 followers, with multiple videos crossing millions of views in just weeks. If you've seen their content, you already know why it's going viral. These videos feature ultra-realistic, medically accurate cutaway illustrations of a male torso, showing exactly how food or drinks move through the body. When someone bites into a fruit or sips a drink, you see the entire journey: the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the organs reacting, the acids breaking things down, and even how nutrients move through the bloodstream. It's relaxing to watch, it's educational, it's oddly satisfying, and it keeps viewers glued to the screen until the very last second. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create these exact viral health-style AI videos using one single AI tool. No juggling multiple apps, no complex software, and no prior experience needed. So make sure you watch this video all the way through so you don't miss any steps. Now let's get started. The first step in creating this viral-style health visualization video is generating the image prompts we'll use to produce the exact anatomical cutaway images we want. For this, we're using EaseMate AI, an all-in-one AI assistant designed specifically for content creators. It brings multiple advanced AI models together in one place, making the entire content creation process effortless and incredibly fast. So head over to EaseMate AI using the exclusive link in the video description. Click on Free Try Now and create your account. After you sign up and log in, you'll land on the AI chat interface, and this is where we'll be creating all of our image prompts. Your first step is choosing the AI model you want to work with. EaseMate AI is powered by several top-tier models, including GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, and more. There are two sections: the Advanced Models section, which is the paid tier and includes GPT-5, Gemini 3 Pro, and other powerful options, and the Basic Models section, which is completely free and includes GPT-4, DeepSeek, and several others. Take a moment to browse through them and select the model you prefer. Now, to make generating these image prompts as easy as possible, I've prepared a Google Doc for you. The link is in the video description. Open the document, copy the entire image prompt, and then head back to EaseMate AI. Paste the prompt into the chat. But before you hit enter, make a few adjustments. First, type in the number of image prompts you want, depending on how long you want your video to be. Next, input the fruit or food item you want to feature in your video. Add it to 2 spots in the prompt, so make sure you update both. Once everything looks good, hit enter. And within seconds, EaseMate AI will generate a set of detailed, hyper-realistic image prompts you can use to create the exact type of anatomical cutaway images that are blowing up in this niche right now. Now copy the entire image prompts and save it on your notepad. Now let also generate the video animation prompts we'll use to bring those images to life. So head back to the Google Doc, copy the video prompt, return to EaseMate AI, and paste the prompt directly into the chat. Now go ahead and hit enter. And within just a few seconds, EaseMate AI will generate a fully detailed animation prompt for each of the image prompts you created earlier. Now copy all of the video prompts and save them in your notepad. We will make use of them later on. The next step is to generate our images for the video. Start by clicking on the menu bar, then select Image/Video and choose AI Image. This will open the AI image creation interface. You'll notice 2 options here: Image to Image and Text to Image. For our project, we'll be using Text to Image, which allows us to generate highly detailed anatomical cutaways directly from our prompts. Next, select the image creation model you want to use. EaseMate AI offers several advanced models, including GPT-4, the latest Nano Banana, Flux, and more. Take a moment to go through them and pick the one that best suits your needs for creating realistic, high-quality images. Now it's time to input your image prompt. Open your notepad where you saved all your image prompts earlier. Copy the first prompt, then head back to EaseMate AI and paste it into the interface. Then select your aspect ratio based on your preferred video format and choose your image output format, either JPEG or PNG, depending on your editing requirements. Once everything is set, click Generate. In just a few moments, EaseMate AI will produce your image, fully detailed and exactly as you envisioned. Download it directly to your device. Now repeat this exact process for each of your saved image prompts until you've generated all the images you need for your video. The next step is animating our images into video clips. Start by clicking on the menu bar again, then select AI Video to open the video creation interface. Here, you'll choose the video model you want to use. EaseMate AI offers several advanced models like Runway ML, VO3, Sora 2, and more. Go through them and select the one you want for your animation. Next, upload the first image you want to animate. Once it's uploaded, you'll need the animation prompt we prepared earlier. Open your notepad, copy the first video animation prompt, then return to EaseMate AI and paste it. Then choose your video duration, either 5 or 10 seconds, depending on how long you want each clip to play. Once everything is set, click Generate, and EaseMate AI will start animating your image into a realistic, hyper-detailed video clip. When the AI finishes, preview your video to see how well the animation turned out. If you're satisfied, download the clip directly to your device. Now repeat this exact process for the rest of your images until all of them are animated into video clips. Now that all of our animated video clips are ready, the final step is editing and compiling the full video. Open CapCut and import all the clips you created with EaseMate AI. Next, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical video, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Then, go through each clip and stretch or adjust it to fit the frame properly. Make sure every clip is aligned perfectly to maintain a smooth flow. Once your clips are in place, it's time to add transitions. Click on Overlay Transitions, and you'll see a variety of transition options. Choose the one that fits your video style best, and then click Apply to All to add it across every clip, giving your video a professional, seamless flow. Next, let's make the video even more engaging by adding video effects. Click on Effects, then Video Effects, and browse through the available options. Select the effects that enhance your animation and drag them across the entire timeline to apply them consistently. Finally, import your background music to set the mood and make your video more captivating. Once everything looks perfect, click Export, increase the resolution to 4K for the highest quality, and download your completed video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any questions in the comment section.